Hello everybody, I'm Sean. Welcome to Fix My Home channel with another video. Today I want to show you how you can install the soap dispenser on your countertop. So as you see, I have the faucet here. So we used to get the water, but we want to replace that, so there is no water tank anymore. So I'm gonna take that one off and put this one. So that's a soap dispenser. So the way you want to use it, this is very simple. You see this nut? So first there is a nut like this under the sink over there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me turn this. So is that one. We have to take that one off. Just explain how it's gonna work. So we take this one off and so I took the nut out. So the way it works, we take that one off, we put this in the end, and we put this nut back, and we put this tank, we screw it. So it's gonna be like this. As you see, I tied it. So that's gonna be under your countertop. So when you wanna fill this up or change it, so you just need to take this off from here and you fill it with your soap and put this back. So you never need to take this one off anymore. So very simple. So I installed the tank under it, so this is secure. So now we can tighten this one. So this one's tight. Now you put this back. So every time you want to fill it up, you take this one off, you fill it up here, and you put this back, and you can use it. That's simple. Make sure subscribe the channel, push the like button, bell notification for next video. Have a great day.